This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust the margins in Google Docs. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Google Docs here. And as you can see, I got a little template page opened up here. And I'm going to show you two different ways to adjust the margins. One way you can do, you see the ruler up top up here. There's a ruler at the top that adjusts the left side and right side of your margins. And there's a ruler on the left side over here, the far left, which you can adjust the top and bottom margins. To adjust the left side of your margin, what you want to do is put your mouse cursor just in the gray area here to where it changes to the arrows, and you can pull out or you can pull in. You can adjust it how you like. And the same thing applies for the left side. Put your mouse cursor over the gray area to where it turns to arrows, and you can pull out, you can pull in. And the same thing applies to the top and bottom off to the left side here. Another way you could adjust the margins is to go up to the File tab in the upper left hand corner, select that, go all the way down to where it says Page Setup, and select that. And from here you could do a variety of things. You can change from portrait to landscape. Your margins are all right in here. And you can manually place whatever numbers you want. Like if I want the top margin to be 1/2 inch, I'll put 0.5. If I want the bottom margin to be 1/2 inch, I'll put 0.5, and so on. If you had a lot of pages to do and you want to use these margins for all of them instead of manually going in and changing all of them all the time, you could set as default. But I'm not going to do that. Then all you do is click on OK. And that is the way you adjust your margins in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.